US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin go jam for Alaska on Friday to talk how war for Ukraine fit end. But both leaders dey go there with different targets. Another food fight don land as two German states don enter serious argument on top who first bring one kind sausage come world. Na small be that for today Tori. Na PidginToriGlobal be this, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter the gist proper. Abeg, make you like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell make you no miss any of our videos. Make you still share with your friends, make them too sabi wetin dey happen for world. Kremlin don talk say Donald Trump and Vladimir Putin go meet for Alaska on Friday to discuss how dem go end the Ukraine crisis. Whereas UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer don welcome Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky for Downing Street this morning, and e tok say chance dey for ceasefire between Russia and Ukraine before the summit. Trump don still warn say very severe consequences go dey if Putin no gree stop the war after e talk with European leaders yesterday. For battlefront, Russia talk say Ukraine fire plenty drones go Volgograd and Belgorod overnight, while Ukraine report say one person lose im life for strike wey hit Kharkiv. President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin get different targets as they wan meet that Friday on how to end the war for Ukraine. Putin main aim na to show say Russia no dey isolated again. For am, the summit alone don prove say America recognize am and Russia don return to the top table of global politics. The Alaska location also sweet am. E dey close to Russia, far from Europe and Ukraine, and even get history link because Russia sell am to US before. But recognition no be all wey Putin want. E still dey hold for Russia to keep all the land wey dem capture for Donetsk, Luhansk, Zaporizhia and Kherson, and make Ukraine comot from any part of those areas wey dem still hold. According to reports, Trump aim no too clear, but e don talk say e wan act as peacemaker. If Trump support Russia demand, Kremlin fit believe say Ukraine rejection go make Trump cut support from Kyiv. Then US and Russia go focus on better relation and business together. Israel Finance Minister Bezalel Smotrich don talk say US President Donald Trump and Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu dey back am for im controversial plan wey go build thousands of houses for land wey go divide future Palestinian state into two. Smotrich make this statement for Ma'ale Adumim, one illegal settlement for West Bank, wey e wan connect to Jerusalem through the E1 project. E claim say the plan go bury the idea of a Palestinian state. According to Smotrich, Trump and US Ambassador to Israel Michael Huckabee believe say Palestinian state go endanger Israel existence and say West Bank na part of the land wey God promised Abraham thousands of years ago. So far, Trump, Huckabee and Netanyahu never talk anything to confirm Smotrich talks. UK economy grow by 0.3% between April and June, down from 0.7% wey dem see for first 3 months of the year. According to Office for National Statistics, even though e slow, e still pass the 0.1% wey experts bin dey expect. Services sector na the main engine for this growth, plus construction wey rise by 1.2%. Hot and dry weather help am. Computer programming, software work, health services and motor rentals also push the growth go up. Retail be drag small but recover towards the end of the period. April numbers sef don change. Instead of minus 0.3%, ONS say na minus 0.1% e shrink. Compared to other G7 countries, na UK grow fast pass for the first quarter of 2025, but no be for second quarter. Still, if dem join the 2 quarters together, UK fit be the fastest grower for the first half of the year. Experts say this resilience fit make Bank of England delay to cut interest rate until inflation drop back to the 2% target. For now, dem expect say inflation go peak around 4% later this year before e calm down reach target by 2027. But some economists warn say From July to September, the growth pace fit slow again because of weak global economy and wahala from April tax increase wey still dey show effect. EU don send 2 water bomber plane go Spain after the country for the first time activate EU disaster help for wildfire. Interior Minister Fernando Grande Marlaska tok say the planes go enter worst hit area quick in case heat wave make fire spread. The waka come as wildfire don take the lives of 3 people for Lyon region, with 1 civilian and 1 volunteer firefighter. Before now, 2 other people don lost their life for Madrid area and Lyon. Spain weather people warn say the heat wave go last till Monday with temperature wey fit pass 44 degrees Celsius. Thousands of people don comot for their house, plus 700 wey dem evacuate from Caracas on Wednesday. Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez tok say all government hand dey on ground to face the extreme heat. Spain join Greece, Bulgaria, Montenegro and Albania wey also call EU civil protection mechanism for help as wildfire dey disturb Europe. Taylor Swift don use her visit for Travis Kelce and im brother Jason podcast New Heights drop 2 big gist: her new album and small tori about her relationship with Travis. She tok say her 12th album, The Life of a Showgirl, go drop for 3rd October. She show the cover wey she wear jewel dress dey float for water. She explain say the photo represent her private time after stage when she dey cool off from tour stress. Swift say the album na about wetin dey happen behind the curtain for her life. She write am during her Eras tour, dey travel go Sweden to work with Max Martin and Shellback while she still dey perform for Europe. She confess say she don tire that period, but her brain still dey ginger her to create new music. Travis even add say she dey literally live the life of a showgirl. As dem dey talk for podcast, pre-order for her website Boss cause am to crash. More than 1.3 million people watch the interview live. Bavaria bin always dey talk say their Wildfire for Regensburg na the oldest Bratwurst stand since 1378. But new documents wey historians find for Erfurt, Thuringia don show say people don dey roast meat for there since 1269, over 100 years before Regensburg own. Now, dem dey try locate where that old sausage stand for Erfurt dey, but no restaurant for there don claim am yet. Before now, the oldest record for Bratwurst for Thuringia na 1404, whereas Wildfire for Regensburg still dey sell their sausage with same old style, open charcoal grill, pure pork ham, homemade sauerkraut and special mustard. The landlady Alexandra Meyer talk say she no dey worry who get oldest title because people go still buy for the taste. This one no be the first time when sausage history cause argument before. Regensburg and Nuremberg sef don drag the title until dem finally give am to Regensburg. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.